Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's Weekly Market Guide.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Sharekhan Weekly Market Guide podcast. In today's podcast, we will talk about the key triggers for the week ahead. Let's start by talking about what happened last week. Indian equity markets continued their rally with Nifty closing near a record high of 15,436 levels. The domestic index traded higher for the sixth day in a row on Friday as daily reported COVID cases in India drops below 2 lakhs. With Delhi looking to ease lockdown restrictions in a gradual manner from Monday, comes as a positive trigger for the markets. Nifty gained for the second week in a row along with Bank Nifty. All sector indices gained last week except Nifty Pharma and Nifty Metal. Pharma Index snaps its 9-week winning streak after Pharma Index heavyweights reported their quarterly numbers. India VIX declines for the fourth week in a row, down 20% in May. Media, PSU banks and IT index were some of the top performing sectors during the week. Now let's look at the key triggers for the week ahead. The current week is going to be very eventful for the USD INR with the RBI MPC outcome and the US NFP data. RBI MPC will continue to maintain its accommodative stance, but the focus will be on the outlook of the central bank over the spillover effects of the second wave of COVID-19 and on the economic growth. So we can expect some volatility in the markets during the week. US markets will remain closed on Monday on account of Memorial Day. On Monday, India will declare its quarterly GDP numbers, and on 1st of June, auto companies will declare their monthly sales numbers. With COVID-19 cases falling, all eyes will be on the state governments and the measures undertaken by them to ease lockdown restrictions. Rising oil prices may act as a dampener for oil importing countries such as India. On the result front, index heavyweight ITC to announce its numbers during the week. Now let's have a look at the key results lined up during the week. Coming to the corporate actions lined up during the week. Key events to watch out for during the week. Now let's look at the technical data. Let's look at what the derivative data suggests. Let's look at the 4 stocks where long build-up is observed. Let's look at the 4 stocks where short build-up is observed. This was all from the Sharekhan Weekly Market Guide series. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. Please read all the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Join us next week for yet another weekly market guide. Until then, subscribe to our channel and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.